Ever had someone to Snapchat group chat and then instantly regret it? Or that person doesn't anymore belong in your group chat. Now you want to remove it. Don't worry, if you need to remove someone from Snapchat group, how you can remove, but they will be notified and say history of conversation. So if you're already on Snapchat, swipe right to go chat list, click on group that you formed and now wanna delete that one group member from that group. Click on group name. There you see total number of member present in group. Choose one whom you want to remove. Click on their name and at first option you see remove from group. Snapchat will ask before you finalize remove for surety, as that member will know that he's been removed from group and still see chat history. If you feel okay, click on remove and finally remove from the group, and that's it. Now you can chat without involving that person in the group chat. So if this video helped, like, subscribe and be with us for more Snapchat tricks.